First off, you go and get some hot water. You see me? Make sure say that boiling, steaming, bubbling. You understand? Then you get some salt and you go use a judgment and add the amount of salt to the amount of water. You don't want it salty, you don't want it fresh, you want it just right. You see me? Now the noodle them we may use are some homemade noodle made from my hand them. You see me? Now you can use ramen noodle, spaghetti, any kind of noodle we have laying around. Now my thing them frozen, so in time I add them to the hot boiling water now it kind of cool down the water a bit. But that alright, you see me? Now, the trick is you now go on to cook them noodles here or spaghetti where you use 100%. You see me? I go on cook them through till about 70 to 80%. You see me? Because when you go stir fry them in the mix and the sauce and everything, it all finish cook them. You see it? So you now go on cook them through. So when it finish boil now down to the point there, you go add some cool tap water to cool it down to stop it from cooking. You see me? After you cool it down now, you put it down for rest and you go get everything ready now. You go start by adding some oil, whether it's olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you have, and you can add a little bit of butter in it to make it a bit more tasty. You understand? Now my vegetables and meats are already cut up, but me I go run through all of them including the seasoning. Now some chopped garlic, you can use 2 cloves, me I use 1 clove. Some scotch bonnet pepper, this can be any pepper, some bell pepper, some bacon, any kind of meat you have, pineapple, and this is shredded pak choy and shredded cabbage. You see me? And for round it all off, we have some onion, some scallion. So that will round off our ingredients to make everything. Now you gotta add your garlic and your pepper to your hot oil now to season it up to make it get the peppery and garlicky flavor there. You see me? Now you go want to add your meat and your bell pepper them. In Jamaica, we call it sweet pepper. You see me? Now we are going to stir fry that. You know, go and fry the bacon them to a crisp. Now you are going to add your pineapple them, stir fry the whole of that now until everything's soft, including the pineapple, because you want the juice from out of the pineapple there. So I say, now after you stir fry all of that now, you go and go some booms and add in some water or some broth in order to deglaze the pan, and this would be the perfect time to add in your salt and whatever seasoning you have laying around to spice it up some more. You see me? So you can just add in all of that now while everything are going bubble down. Now when it bubble down to a level now, you go on to go so now booms and add in all of your vegetable them. No left half it, no left quarter it, just throw in the whole light in a pot at this point. You see me? You don't want to add any more broth or any more water to the thing, no matter how dry it look, because when everything simmer down and the vegetable them cook to a point, them are going to release all of the liquid and create that the beautiful thick kind of sauce so you want. You see me? And you don't want to cook the vegetable them too soft. You still want a bit of crunchiness. After that now you go add in the noodle them, then you go take a spoon and gently turn in everything because you don't want the noodle them to break. You see me? Now you're gonna make everything simmer down. Now the remaining liquid and moisture in it's supposed to dry down. Just turn it down pan low heat and get your scallion them and sprinkle that pan top and turn it in again, and then it is ready to serve practically. Now if you like this format of video, how it's short and how it's straight to the point, to be honest, you see me, you can let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more videos like this. You see me? I think we'll call the series Kitchen Quickies. Yeah man. So big up on yourself and respect, and remember saying of like, comment and subscribe, and soon until next video. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you want to see how I make my handmade noodles, if you want me to do a video about that, just put it in the comment section below and I will get straight back to you. Respect.